to our supporting supervisor, diligent school heads, respected mentors, fellow beginning teachers, and distinguished guests. Good afternoon. On behalf of the induction program for beginning teachers, allow me to express our utmost and deepest gratitude for the significant and precious moment of our milestone in our professional journey. As we complete the induction program for beginning teachers, we are reminded that this achievement is not ours alone. It is the product of shared effort, continuous guidance, and the unwavering belief of the people who have supported us from the beginning. Being a teacher and a mentor to our colleagues, we are need to be thankful at all times because of all the learnings and knowledge we gain every day. Learning is continuous, learning is lifelong, and learning is a habit. Speaking of learning in our field of education, we can easily get this without the people who establishes the program, the training, the workshop, and even the seminar. Today is not answering a course book or any online assessment relative to our TIP, but this is the most awaited part where efforts, sleepless nights, and time spent paid off. In addition, it is a celebration of growth, dedication, and shared commitment to become effective teachers to quality education. You know, completing the Teacher Induction Program, or the IPPT, has strengthened our understanding about the curriculum, enhanced our pedagogy of teaching, and our teaching competencies that work us out to make better strategies, notions, and passion to serve our learners and students the best we could. To our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Maria Teresa B. Villagracia, ma'am, thank you for the indulgence and opportunity that made us experience this kind of learning program and bridges us to improve ourselves in teaching, mingling with others to fulfill tasks and responsibilities with fun and learning. To our dear school heads and mentors, we are much grateful to have you on our side every time we have queries and something to clarify. Moreover, for your guidance and unwavering support and encouragement that illuminates our way to finish our path of accomplishing the requirements and made us through here. To our district TIP coordinators, both in previous and in present, we have Sir Genesis H. Vestidas and Ma'am Rochelle F. Robles. Our deepest thanks for your words of encouragement, advices, and motivation for us to pursue and finish the prerequisite documents. Further, for the facilitation of this activity that made to come true. To our resource speakers and facilitators of this teacher induction program and during the orientation of this activity, thank you for sharing your time and expertise. Your invaluable knowledge and learning imparted to us is truly commendable. To our fellow colleagues, our gratitude for the non-stop support and unity. This phase became great, wonderful, because we saw the better view after the hardest climb with dedication and purpose. Above all, we thank God for everything He had given to us. Without you, we are not here for our completion ceremony. Moreover, we thank the Department of Education, especially our division led by Sir Jerry Mosquete, our division TIP coordinator, and the people behind this learning program for instilling in our minds the fruitful insights and flowering experiences that we will never forget wherever we go. Thus, TIP, or Teacher Induction Program, or the IPPT, a very invaluable support system for beginning teachers like us. I know that more teachers who are approaching and waiting will be given help through this. Lastly, I am truly grateful to have the chance to stand here before you today and share in this celebration. Completing the TIP is indeed an indispensable development that marks continuous excellence in teaching and dedication towards our learners and students. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who made this program possible. May we carry forward the lessons we've learned and make a lasting impact on the lives of our students and pupils as well the educational process. Thank you very much and kudos to all of us, completers. Once again, good afternoon.